Hello everyone and welcome to the stage 2 of the KBC re-registration process. I've received a lot of DMs जहाँ पे आप सब ने मुझे पूछा है कि IVR call की आने की संभावना कब है and some of you have also received the IVR call and what will be the next stage post that. इन सब चीज़ों की जानकारी के लिए welcome to my channel KBC with Ananya. If you watch my other videos, आपको पता होगा कि मैंने already आपको अपडेट किया था on when the KBC re-registrations के relay of questions will start. And if you have answered everything correctly every day, then you don't have to worry because that just increases your probability of getting the IVR call. So now coming to the IVR call, मुझे बहुत सारे DMs आए थे ये पूछने के लिए कि कब आ सकती है, क्योंकि as I mentioned कि 20th December से लेके 2nd Jan तक, that's the time period given by KBC. And moreover आपको ये भी पता होगा कि they had extended the registration का dates to up to another week. So that just increases. That means that they want more registrations and that is why they had increased it. Because of that initially उन्होंने ये बोला था कि finally they'll only have some 250 लोगों का slot. But I think now it has just increased since they increased it to more than a week. So it will just go to like up to 500 or something. So that is great. I've heard that some of you from Maharashtra, Kanpur, that is UP and Gujarat have received the calls. And अगर आप इन states को belong करते हैं और अभी तक अगर आपको IVR call नहीं आया है, निराश मत होइएगा because ये जो 3 states का calling था वो भी केवल 2 दिन के अंदर ही हुआ था. That is I think 20th and the 21st. So अभी तक again it has been stagnant. No more calls, no more updates on what is happening. So a lot of you thought कि शायद वो खत्म भी हो गया होगा. Only including 3 states and खत्म करना, it is something that KBC will not do because they'll make sure that all the states are included. अभी तक South से तो कोई updates आया नहीं है. So obvious है कि South भी बाकी है and there are other states also including. Today also there is high chance that you can get the call as well as tomorrow, but personally I feel like they've extended it वो इसलिए ताकि वो सब हमको न्यू ईयर की एक खुशखबरी दे saying that you're selected. So that is why make sure that on Jan 1st your phone is recharged, everything is there. और अगर आपको ये भी लग रहा है कि आपको कॉल आ गया है but by accident you disconnected it या फिर missed call आ गया है, don't worry. If they've called you once, they'll make sure to call you at least 3 times. क्योंकि जब मुझे भी IVR कॉल आया था, the first time I had missed it क्योंकि मैं कॉलेज से वापस आ रही थी. I thought it was just a spam call, so I ignored it. फिर जब मैं वो मुझे कॉल आया था in the afternoon, फिर तकरीबन 6 बजे को, that was when I was at home, मुझे फिर से कॉल आया था and that is when I had picked it up. So it was during my second round that I had picked it up. So don't worry, just because you have missed the call, don't think कि आपको फिर से नहीं आएगा the call. You will receive it if you have been shortlisted. Again, I'd like to repeat that the dates that were specified by KBC were from the 20th of December to the 2nd of January. Until 2nd of January, do not think कि आपका टाइम नहीं आएगा या फिर आप निराश बिल्कुल भी मत होइएगा. In case now 2nd of January will come by और फिर 3rd January हो गया, फिर उसके बाद don't keep hope कि आपको re-registration से call आएगा because that is it. That means whatever calling it is that they wanted to do, they have done it. But there's another good news for all of you. There is the family week also that is starting. So I'll make sure that I'll keep you posted on when the family week starts. Why go solo when you can meet Amitabh Bachchan ji on the hot seat with your family? That will be even more interesting and more fun. I'll keep you posted. And to know more about this information about how to register for KBC and how you can make it to the hot seat, I'd love to be a part of that journey. So do subscribe to my channel. और अगर आपको कोई भी queries है, anything at all, you have my Instagram handle and you also have my YouTube channel. So do drop some comments and I'll revert back at the earliest. See you in the next video and good luck.